To detox each organ to never be sick or tired again. Nowadays, many people in the world, including the young kids, are experiencing many different health problems, such as chronic conditions, cancer or autoimmune conditions. We all know that the human body is not built to be perfect, so it has its own weak spots. So, the everyday exposure to the harmful toxins in the environment could alter our genes, so, it causes physical disorders in our organism. The everyday stress situations, spiritual shallowness, hormone disruptors, parasites, viruses, bacteria, sugar, refined carbohydrates and food-like products, pesticides, heavy metals and other things could also cause genetic derangements in our organism. The true medicine addresses all three areas. Our immune system is perfectly built so it can cleanse the harmful toxins out of our organism with fevers, diarrhea and vomiting. But, if a rather silent toxin is continually exposed to the system, it will lead to an autoimmune condition. These, so-called autoimmune conditions are disorders in our organism, in which our immunity has gone away, causing the body cells to turn on themselves. The remaining toxic waste continues to alert the immune system. Many of these, autoimmune conditions, are triggered by unhealthy diet, sugar, wheat, pesticides, gluten, heavy metals and GMO genetically modified organisms products cause distension and eventual pH changes. Some of the acid blockers, like Pepcid, Nexium, Prilosec or Diet can raise the pH higher than 3, which stops the release of pepsin. This acid blocker, pepsin, is essential for protein breakdown. Some of these excess proteins leak through the permeable gut wall and it alerts the body's immune system. The immune system detects them as a foreign intruder. So, at this point, our body revs up immunity and inflammation issues. Did you know that inflammations are the defense reaction of the body and they are short-term? But, you should also know that they can lead to long-term chronic conditions, if they are not treated properly. These are the most common types of autoimmune conditions: blood leukemia, lupus, hemolytic conditions, nerves, diabetic peripheral neuropathy, muscles, fibromyalgia, muscular dystrophy, thyroid, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, Graves' disease, brain MS, autism, Guillain-Barré syndrome caused by flu shot or a virus, bones, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, polymyalgia rheumatica, lungs, Wegener's granulomatosis, asthma, GI tract/pancreas, celiacs, IBS, Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, diabetes, skin eczema, psoriasis, scleroderma, vitiligo. According to the allopathic medicine, the most common answer to these diseases is immunosuppression or depressing our natural immunity, rather than finding the cause. Take Humira or prednisone for example. This is a counter-initiative, because it sounds like one. So, in this type of situation, we would rather hinder our body's natural response to a foreign intruder, rather than trying to pinpoint that said intruder. So, we would probably put a bandage on the problem and it will cause other side effects, instead of eliminating the actual problem. But, you don't have to be worried, because there are completely natural ways and methods which can help you detoxify your entire body and strengthen your immune system. This will help you prevent any kind of diseases. Here's complete explanation of how to detox all body organs and boost your immune system. Diet: you should avoid consuming food products, such as wheat, gluten, dairy, processed and fried foods, all kinds of GMO genetically modified organisms, and focus on organic foods only. You may know that many of these foods are not inflammatory at all and they're unprocessed in natural state. But, cause of the refining, pasteurizing and genetic modification, they are now disease-causing foods. So, you should definitely avoid sugar, aspartame, MSG, trans fats, hydrogenated oils, like canola or vegetable oil. You should avoid consuming alcohol and caffeine in excessive amounts, as well. You should keep a food elimination journal. Previously we mentioned what you should avoid. But, on the other hand, it's recommended to consume healthy fats, like coconut, avocado, omega-3s, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, and probiotics. It is highly recommended for every home to buy a Berkeley filter or reverse osmosis filter to remove birth control, toxins, metals, and fluoride from your tap water. Another great aid could be the alkaline diets as well. It's because they are low in sodium and high in potassium foods. Liver cleanse: the best way to do a complete liver cleansing procedure and to pull out all the toxins out of it is to use natural cleansers, such as burdock root, dandelion root, milk thistle, beets, Jerusalem artichokes, turmeric or curcumin, fermented foods, and castor oil packs on the abdomen. The liver function is also supported by some sorts of tea, such as tulsi and dandelion. Another supportive tool for liver detox and for boosting our metabolism is the iodine. Olive oil as a liver cleanser. It is highly recommended for every person in the world to drink carrot juice and to eat hard green apples every day, for 1 week. It will soften the gallstones and it will prevent them become dislodged during the detox process. And, you should also take a shot of olive oil with lemon juice and do a castor oil pack at night. Kidney cleanse. The best and the most useful herbs for kidney cleansing are horsetail, fluorescence tea along with uva ursi capsules, ginger, goldenrod tincture, vitamin B6, black cherry concentrate, and vegetable glycerin. These ingredients help to flush the kidneys. We can also say that extremely beneficial can be the following products: lukewarm lemon water, magnesium, organic cranberry juice, apple cider vinegar, and Epsom salt baths. But, you should remember that you need to stay away from pesticides, because they can cause kidney failure. Colon cleanse. Do you know what is great for a colon cleanse? You should get Indian gooseberry, trifala, and you should have at least 2 to 3 bm/day. The coffee enemas are irreplaceable items and they are double as a colon and liver cleanse. You need to drink plenty of distilled or fluoride-free water, plant-based organic diet, aloe vera water, coconut kefir, ginger, garlic, fennel, bentonite clay or activated charcoal to bind and remove toxins, magnesium and vitamin C. Heavy metals. The best and the most effective chelators are the activated charcoal and zeolite clay. We can also say that cilantro, chlorella, high sulfur foods like cabbage, garlic, onions and Brussels sprouts are amazing natural chelators as well. Or, you can get a professional for chelation. And you should most definitely avoid unnecessary vaccines which contain heavy metals. You probably know that mercury is far from safe, because it's a dangerous neurotoxin and can lead to autoimmune conditions, mood disorders and mental degradation. So, you should see a biologic dentist who specializes in removing mercury amalgam safely. Parasites. The most important tools in this type of cleansing are wormwood, black walnut hull, cloves, cinnamon, garlic, coconut oil, psyllium husks, bentonite clay and coffee enemas. It's extremely important for you to get organic coffee, distilled water, complete sterility and lie on your right side for at least 20 minutes. Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is actually the sewer system of the body, but unfortunately it doesn't have a pump like the heart. So, in order to get a proper lymphatic movement, you should be physically active, as much as possible. You should walk, practice yoga. We can also say that deep breathing, rebounding and dry brushing are other excellent methods for the same purpose. Other good option is a lymph massage, because it can remove toxins from the body through soft massage. Skin. The everyday beauty products, like slathering lotions, makeup, deodorants or fragrances, are loaded with chemical ingredients such as parabens, NHT or other endocrine disruptors. All of these harmful chemicals can lead to hormone dysregulation, PCOS, endometriosis, and fibroids. If you wish to stimulate your lymph system to eliminate chemicals and toxins, we recommend using infrared saunas, sweating, hot yoga, Epsom salt baths and dry brush. Yes, you need to exercise a lot and sweat. You should most definitely avoid any mainstream or synthetic toiletries and go organic. Many medical experts suggest that vitamin D prevents breast and prostate cancer. It's all up to you people. You need to take care of your own health and your life. If you want to live normal life, without any health problems and diseases, make sure you detox your organs regularly, so they can work properly and without any problems. If you enjoyed this post, make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you.